Hello there, it's Steve from Techie Tips, and in today's quick tutorial I'm just going to show you how to factory reset your PC should you wish to want to sell it, or should it be having performance problems. There's a very quick way and easy way to reset the PC to the factory default settings, and you can also, with this option, you can save any of your personal documents and they will still be there after you've factory reset the device. So the way we do this is we go to the bottom left hand corner of the screen, and if we click on search and we type in settings, we go to settings, and then we go to this tab here which is update and security. So we go to update and security, and there are a number of options down here on the left hand side. If we go to this option here, recovery, and then you'll see the various options you have to recover Windows 10. Now this option, if your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstall Windows. So all you would do is click on get started, and what you get here is you get two options: keep my files, so remove apps, and settings. Remember, it does remove applications, so if you've got any specific applications that you've installed on your desktop or your laptop in Windows 10, you will need to reinstall those. But it does keep your personal files, your documents and your pictures. And then in option 2 you can remove everything, so that literally wipes your computer clean, which is the option that you would choose if you was going to be selling it, because you don't want to be leaving any documents on there or pictures for other people to see. But for this particular option, what we're going to do is we're going to reset the PC, but we're going to keep our personal files. So if we just click on this option, keep my files, we then get this message: how would you like to reinstall Windows? Well, cloud download, download and reinstall Windows, install from this device. So what we do is we click on cloud download, and that would reinstall Windows 10 for us, keeping our documents and our pictures, etc. Okay, so current settings, download, install Windows, click next, and then it goes away and does it. But I'm going to cancel that now, because obviously I don't want to reset my PC. So that's a very quick and easy way to reset Windows, and it does help if you're having problems with performance issues. It could be something on your device that's causing the slowdown. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you did like it, please subscribe to my channel, because we do upload lots of other useful information that can help you along your way. So please click the subscribe button, and if you like the video, click the like button as well, and I'll see you in the next video.